In today's video, we feature Krydrufi, your all-in-one painting kit. First off, a huge thanks for Krydrufi for sending me a couple of these kits. I did a review and a video of this kit more than a year ago, and it was the Kickstarter version. This Krydrufi kit is an all-in-one modular art box. You have everything, like almost everything that you need if you need to paint somewhere, like you need to paint in the dining table, you need to paint in the kitchen, or you just want to paint maybe in your bedroom and you just have a small table and you have a small miniature or figure. Then you have this box and you could use everything, all of the modules there to paint your figure. I'm pretty happy with the kit, like the Kickstarter version. My verdict was, so that you don't need to watch my old video, is that the kit is very nice, but the wet palette paper is not that compatible with the hobby paints. It's good for like open paints, like slow drying acrylic paints, but the wet palette paper is kind of thick. So this Krydrufi art box organizes everything, or at least your main tools like your brushes and a little bit of your paints, and of course some water, and you could bring your model and you could paint anywhere. The kit is very portable, like it's just a small box. Like this has water. I should remove the water, but it's a small box and you could have everything that you need when you're painting. So this is a really cool kit, but I find it weird that you can't find like what I think is the real value of this Krydrufi art box in the website or even in their Instagram videos. So watch until the end of the video because I'll tell you what I think is the real value of this Krydrufi art box. Now let's do the unboxing. We start with the main module. The main module has like the water cups, and you could also use it as the containers. And of course, the main module has the silicone, like so that you could clean your brushes better. And of course, it has the brush holders. So that's the main module. Then you have the paint module. The paint module holds paint. It says in the website and in the box that it could store paints, acrylic paints, for more than 2 months or 2 months, and it won't dry. I did not use this before, but even before this package arrived, I placed acrylic paints and for a month, and it's doing well. I mean, it's still moist, very usable, and it did not dry up. So it means that the lid of the paint module is pretty tight. It seals the paint pretty well. Now the other module would be the wet palette, like the wet palette module. You could also use it as like a case for your small brushes or even your tools. If you got two, the other one would be your wet palette. Now, I said that I did a review way back, like the Kickstarter version. The paper is a little bit too thick, and I'm very happy with this version. Because after the Kickstarter, I sent reviews, and my only I feel is the downside of the whole art box is the wet palette paper. So I don't know when they replace the paper with a thinner one. It's thin enough to moisten the paints, but it's not too thin that it will break if you keep on pressing the nozzle of the paints. And it keeps the paints moist, which is good. But it's not too thick, unlike the old version, the Kickstarter version, which is, it doesn't moisten the paint. So this one, the paper now is very nice. Now, like I said in the intro, I think the real value of this kit is that, which is not like stated or not really highlighted in the website or in Instagram videos, is that this keeps your brushes, the brushes that you use often, really well. This is the best way to keep your brushes like upside down, so that when you wash them and then you place them upside down, the water won't go through the ferrule and to the wooden handles. So it won't slowly rot your most used brushes. So it's the best way to keep brushes that you use often or you actively use. So this is the best way to keep your brushes. They'll keep your brushes like longer, and you could, like, after cleaning or even while using the brushes, it won't rot the wooden handle slowly, unlike if you place it upside down. This is the best value for me for this kit. It will make my nice Kolinsky brushes last longer. Also, like I mentioned earlier, the silicone like rubber underneath the water cups, it's a really nice subtle way. Of course, you could use a sponge, but this one is a nice, don't rub it too much, but it will clean your brush really nicely, especially if you paint with metallics or thicker paints like heavy-bodied paints, acrylic paints, or even speed paints. It's a really nice way to clean your brush or rinse your brush thoroughly because you have a silicone, like a rubber thing, underneath your cup of water. Looking at the website right now and looking at the pricing, it's very reasonable. It's like, it's not cheap, it's not a nice word, but like you get 100 pieces of the wet palette paper. It's just $10 or a little less than $10. So it's a really great value. I highly recommend Krydrufi. We have 3 already. I gave the other version, I gave it to my daughter Sam, who is a painter, and she loves using this. A huge chunk of the months when I got the Kickstarter version, I lent it to my daughter because she needs it more, because she needs a lot of water, because she's doing painting on canvas. So she needs the kit a lot more, because also that's my initial impression with the art box, that it's more of a painting art box for painters, not for miniature painting, mainly because of the thick wet palette paper. It works well with slower drying, like slower drying acrylics, open acrylics, heavy-bodied acrylics. So it works really well with actual painters, with canvas painters, fine artists. For me, before the new wet palette paper, it's most useful for actual painters. But now that the wet palette is like better, not too thick, not too thin, perfect for my hobby paints, I think I'll be using it a lot more. Although I have an extra, I'll use it to store my synthetic brushes and of course my new speed paint markers. That's it, Pansit. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all that stuff. Until next video, guys. Bye! If you like this video, you might like these other videos.